Hi everyone, my name is Mansa Pablo and I'm a realtor with Remax Elevate. Welcome to the virtual open house of 4629 Spanish Sun Avenue. We will start from the master bedroom just because I really do want to show you the beautiful view from the top balcony. So if you want to walk with me, so here we are on the balcony directly from master bedroom, and this is the view. The road that you can see here doesn't have the ending, so the only cars that you will see are from your neighborhood, so you don't need to be worried about that. Additionally, we can see here a brand new roof that was installed just as the house went on the market. And right down below is the yard that goes around the house. All right, so let's go back inside. So here we are right now in the master bedroom. As you can see in front of us is the wet bar. So you add a small fridge next to it, and you have a very relaxing, everything that you need just right here in your master bedroom. The bedroom has its own bathroom with a standing shower, sink, and a walk-in closet. And from the master bedroom, it's a hallway, and directly on the right is the second bedroom with another walk-in closet. So there is plenty of the storage space within the rooms. The house itself is approximately 2,700 square feet. We have a closet here in the hallway. These doors are for the furnace. The thermometer, it's right here for you to navigate the temperature. And along the hallway, there are bookshelves for additional storage. Over here we have the second bathroom with the bathtub, sink, everything that you would need. And we will go to the third bedroom. With a closet. This one has a slightly less storage space, but still plenty. The house is two-story, so we are now on the second floor, and we're falling down the stairs. And we're now here in the main living area. So over to the right from the stairs are the doors to the yard that wraps around. Here we have the gas fireplace and a space for the TV. The flooring is also brand new, and there's plenty of sunlight here during the day. These big windows really give a lot of sunlight to the house, because right now it's 7:05 and there's no lights needed, and the lighting is still very good. Right now we're walking into the kitchen area. Over here it's plenty of space for like a small breakfast nook. The house has KitchenAid and Whirlpool appliances. With the pantry right here next to you for all the cooking that it's needed. The section here, it's big enough for the formal dining if that is what you would like, and it nicely blends in with the living area. Additionally, I also have some storage here just for some maybe outdoor stuff for the yard, because it's right next to the backyard door, just so you don't need to go back and forth. Over here we also have a downstairs bathroom that has just the sink and the toilet. And now we will be walking to the laundry room. So this room is a big laundry hobby room. So you can have it either as the dream laundry room, because it's plenty of space for additional shelving, or you can have it as a small office or hobby space. From here, you can also enter the garage, which is a 2-car garage. It has cooling and heating installed, as the current owners rent the business from it. This is the water heater. We have additional coat closet right here by the main door. Now we're gonna walk outside just so we can also see the front yard. I mean the yard that goes around the around of the house. The yard does give you plenty of space to entertain. Currently just with rocks for the low maintenance. And it wraps up around. So this was the tour of the house. If you have any questions, feel free to type them in the comments. If you need to review it, the link will be up for the next 30 days. If you have any questions, feel free to text, email, call, and I'll be able to answer your questions. If you would like to view this house, we can also schedule a private viewing. Thank you for spending the time for the open house with me. See you soon. Bye. Oh, yes, I can show the fireplace again. So it is the gas fireplace. Any other questions that I can help with, or anything else that you would like to see again? Well, to get more information like that and to other virtual tours, in the event, there's a code that you will send to a phone number, and then you will receive the notification of the next virtual open houses. That way you can see the homes without needing to leave the house. Thank you again. See you guys soon.